Every great building begins with an empty piece of land. Engineers inspect and measure the site before construction starts.
Level set, ready for the first reading.
Boundary flag placed.
Skeleton, extend the tape.
Confirmed. Next point.
Steady.
Heavy machinery arrives to clear the construction area. The ground is leveled to create a stable foundation. Survey markers define the exact building location.
Check the measurements twice. Precision is key. Good, that's the alignment. Move to the next.
Excavation begins for the building foundation. A layer of compacted gravel strengthens the base. The excavation reaches the required depth. Formwork is installed for the foundation. Steel reinforcement bars are carefully placed.
Easy now, align it straight. Perfect. Lock it in.
Engineers inspect the reinforcement before concrete pouring.
The spacing here is good, but we need more ties. Understood. I'll tighten these connections now.
Looks secure, ready for pour.
Concrete is poured into the foundation. The concrete foundation begins to cure.
Keep it even, don't let it dry out.
Foundation walls are constructed. Waterproofing protects the foundation from moisture.
Align it carefully.
Backfilling surrounds the completed foundation. Ground floor columns are prepared.
Hold it steady. Got it tying now.
Concrete columns rise from the foundation. The first floor beam system is assembled. Floor slab formwork covers the building. Steel reinforcement is installed inside the slab.
This grid needs to be secure. I'm on it, passing a tie. I'll secure this junction. Good, this slab will be solid.
The first floor concrete slab is poured. The process repeats floor after floor. Columns continue rising toward the sky. Structural beams connect the entire frame.
Line it up with the guide.
Bolts secure the joint.
Ready to hoist, lift on 3. Frame is aligned.
The building skeleton takes shape.
Careful with that beam, align it right. Good, now secure the joints.
Exterior walls begin to enclose the building. Openings are left for doors and windows. Internal partition walls divide rooms. Workers build interior walls. The skeleton worker is present in every scene, helping during the building process. Electrical conduits are installed. Plumbing systems are integrated into the structure. Ventilation and utility systems are added. Wall plastering creates smooth surfaces.
Great work. Keep it even.
Ceilings are prepared for finishing.
Align the tracks precisely. Got it. Handing them up now. Good. Secure the brackets tightly. All set.
Windows are installed throughout the building. Exterior facades give the building its final appearance.
Steady on that panel. Align it right. Got it. Securing the fasteners now. Good. Next one. Up we go.
Floor tiles are carefully installed. Interior painting transforms the rooms.
This looks great. Keep it up.
The coverage is even, moving to the next section.
Great teamwork. It's transforming fast.
Lighting fixtures and switches are installed.
All right. Connect the neutral here.
Got it. Skeleton, hand me that wire nut.
Looks good. Secure the ground.
Bathroom and kitchen fixtures are added. Careful alignment is key for these sinks. Now, tighten the faucet connections securely. Perfect. On to the next one. The elevator system is assembled and tested.
Securing the final cable now. Alignment looks good. Ready for test.
Initiating test sequence. Good work. Safety inspections verify construction quality. Final cleaning prepares the property for occupancy. Landscaping improves the surrounding environment. After months of hard work, the building is complete and ready for residents.